Hello, guys. Welcome to part one of destroying boats. So, first we have a gun, right? We have this gun, this really good gun. Look at that. I have this cannon. Really helped. This is my friend Nug Life, and he just died. And then, where's my other friend? Where's Guardian? It started. Bro. What? It started. Oh. Hey, bro. Hey, guys. So, what's this? Okay. Well. Destroy boat. I don't like this one. This one is too easy to destroy. You've been a bad boy. Okay. Guardian. Okay. Oh, you wish for. Yeah. Attack. Attack the boat. Yeah. No, don't stop. Don't stop. Keep him going. Keep crashing. Oh no. Oh no. Destroy the boat. Destroy it. Destroy the boat, please. No, no. Oh, oh heck no. Hey, this is family friendly. Oh, oh heck no. It sank. Y'all dead. And it died. But I could turn PvP on. Bro did us dirty. I'm on the money team. I'm on the money team. Guys, what team are you on? What team are you on? Oh, Guardian is on the money team. You like money. Here it comes. Give me a bow box. Ow. PvP. I was so focused on doing this. Okay. Wait. Stop it! Oh, wait. Wait. So there's stuff on the island now. Look at that. Look at that, guys. There's little spawn pads on the islands. And about over here. Oh, wow. Yeah. How could you do that? See what happens when I give them a boat. Do they even know what's going on the side of the boat? Oh, you wish for. This time we don't want lifeboats. Tactical nuke incoming. Oh no. Uh-oh. The nuke is absorbing the boat. Oh no. Wheel. At least it didn't hit the boat. Please don't. Oh, I think I. Oh! That just ate the whole boat. But that just ate the. Oh no. I'm hiding. I'm hiding in here. I'm better. Oh no. Oh no. Necklace! Antarctica. What? What do you mean Antarctica? Guardian, stop. Whee! I wish for this nighttime to last for a lifetime. Uh-oh. Well, sleeping sun, guys. Oh, you wish for this nighttime to last for a lifetime. Titanic! Titanic movie. That's the real Titanic. What the heck? Oh no. Wait, it's absorbing the boat. Oh no. I wish for this nighttime to last for a lifetime. Wait, we don't have it. We don't. It ate part of the lifeboat. Wait, look at this clean cut. Look at how clean that is. Titanic is surviving. Titanic survived. We wish for this nighttime, this for a lifetime. The darkness around me. Uh-oh. Wait, is this sinking? Oh. Ring around the rosy. Oh, okay. Okay, let's just watch it explode. Oh! Wait. Oh! 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 Oh my god. This. Oh my god, this is epic. Why did I say it like that? Oh my god. Is that what girls sound like? Oh, cargo. Wait, look. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the re-trolled version of Titanic. Yeah, sure, let's... No, do not nuke it. No, don't even think about it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Drama. Guys. Nuke! Okay, guys. Soon I'm gonna end the video, but for now we're just gonna... I got a good idea. I wish for this nighttime to last for a lifetime. Your darkness around me, only sun, like a rip of the sea. Oh, home I wish to, but darling, the sun, sleeping, sleeping. Ready, guys? Oh. Oh my god! He died! and gentlemen, we got him. What? What do you mean you're popular? Hmm? Oh, and the wing falls. Just. Yes? I'm popular. I found a secret. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Oh no! CCP with the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. See, with the bun. I blew myself up because wait, you drive. No, you're driving. Let's go. Launch. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop the video there, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.